Hello everybody, welcome to the channel World of Self Planning. I am Mahesh here. We are back with one more practical video in Practical Electronic Crash Course series. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and push the bell notification to all so you will not miss any of the future practicals. So today's practical is voltage divider. Yes, you heard it correctly. We are going to perform the voltage divider practical. So the agenda for the today's practical is, first we will see how to build the circuit on the software and simulate it, and then go directly to the practical workbench and build the circuit there and verify voltage divider. So let's get started without wasting much time. So let's go. So welcome to our virtual workbench. So here we will build the circuit as already I have built. You can see on your screen a voltage divider circuit. Actually, what the voltage divider does, okay, we all know the concept that voltage divider, when we have two resistance in series, then like you can see in the figure, if you want to find out the voltage VA, then we say that the voltage will be divided in between these two resistors because they are connected in series. We normally require to find this kinds of voltages. So this is voltage divider practical. We all know its theory concepts. I will not cover it here. It is well known to you. We are here to make it's practically. Yeah. So as you can see on your screen, I have built a small circuit having one voltage supply, that is of 5 volts, and two resistors connected in series, both of 1 kilo ohms. And we have to measure the voltage VA. Okay, VA. So it will be a divided voltage. So we have normally formula in theory that the voltage VA, because it is a reference voltage, voltage always measured between 2 points. Here one of the point is VA and another point is our ground, so it's 0 volts. So we have the formula for VA, that is R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into the supply voltage, that is V1. So you can see we have two resistors of similar values, so 1 divided by 1 plus 1 will be 1 by 2 into 5. So it will give us a value that VA will be 2.5 volts. Okay, so this is theoretical result. We will see whether we get a same result in the simulation. So I will connect here multimeter. You can see I have bring the multimeter here. I will connect the positive probe of multimeter to the VA and negative probe to the our reference, that is ground. So I will run the simulation now. See, okay, I have run the simulation. We will see the value in the our multimeter, digital multimeter on the software. Yes, you can see the value we are getting is 2.5 volts. Okay, we have verified. Yes, theoretically we were getting 2.5 volt and practically we got. Yes, that's a small practical. Okay, so we will now go to the practical workbench, build the circuit there and see the results. Okay, so let's go to the practical workbench. So welcome to our practical workbench. As we build the circuit inside Multisim software, similar circuit I have built it here on a breadboard. You can see these are two resistors of 1 kilo ohm each having value. I will read the color code for you. It's brown, black, red, means 10 into 100 means 1k. So both are 1 kilo ohms. This is 1 kilo, this is 1 kilo, and we are the power supply is our 5 volt power supply coming here. I will show the power inside the voltage within the breadboard. Okay, so you can see on a multimeter, okay, it's accurate 5 volt. Okay, so 5 volt power supply is coming. So what our voltage divider states that the voltage we have measured at this point, that is we consider the point as VA. Okay, and we measure the voltage from between this point and our ground point. Okay, so we will measure and verify with our multimeter. So now I am touching, okay, one end of the multimeter to the ground and one end to this resistors, and you can see the voltage fluctuation on the multimeter. Yes, it's 2.49 volts. Okay, it's more accurate. Okay, so we have done with our experiment. We got the accurate value of voltage divider at VA voltage. So we have done with our practical. We have done simulation, build the circuit on the breadboard and then see and verify the results. So we are now well known to the voltage divider, how it works in circuits. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video as much as possible to the electronic students. Okay, we will meet in the next video. If you want to know such more practical videos, then see the playlist showing on your screen. Okay, so till then, goodbye, take care.